everyone, I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. Today in this video we will learn appetizer. What is appetizer and its classification? Appetizer are the small, delicate and flavorful food which induce us, stimulate at one's appetite. It gives appreciations to the food we eat. A good appetizer, whether hot or cold, should be light and served in small quantities. Fresh vegetables or salad fruits, meat or even fish can be made in an appetizer. First is cocktail. Cocktails are usually juices of oranges, pineapples, grapefruits, tomato served with the cold salad dressing. It might be a fresh fruit or vegetable juice blended with the minimal amounts of alcohol drink, and other seafoods like shrimps, crabs and lobster presented with seasoned and prepared the sauce. Hors d'oeuvres. It is a small portion of highly seasoned food which is a combination of canapes, olives, stuffed celery, pickled radish and fishes. The primary differences in the hors d'oeuvres and are not served on a crust base और ब्रेड. इट मीन्स जो अदब सर्व किया जाता है वो आपका कोई भी ब्रेड के स्लाइस पे नहीं दिया जाता, ना ही उसे क्रस्ट किया जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू कैनेपी. इट इज़ नॉट अ फिंगर फूड. इट इज़ सर्व्ड ऑन द इंडिविजुअल प्लेट एंड गिवन एंड व्हेन गेस्ट आर सीटेड एंड ईटन विद द पिक्स और कॉकटेल फोक्स. अदब्स आर सर्व्ड टू द गेस्ट ऑन अ platter either cold or hot. Canapes. Canape is made from various shapes of slim bread skirts, and the bread was toasted, sprinkled on, plunked into a well-seasoned mixture of an egg, cheddars, fish or meat, then deep fat fried. It can be served either hot or cold. The bigger canape after the chef Z are named the zucchis. Next is relish. These are raw or picked vegetables that are cut into the attractive shapes, served as an appetizer, such as julienne, carrot, celery sticks, radish, green and red bell pepper, cherry tomato, cauliflower, broccoli, stems, and cucumbers. These are the examples of the relish. Petite salad. It is a small portion of mixed fruits such as the pasta, meat, fruits, or vegetable with dressing and usually display on the chantier foods found in the most of the salads. Chips and dips. These are popular accompaniment to the potato chips, crackers and raw vegetables. Proper consistency in the preparation of a dip is very important. It must not be so thick that it cannot be scooped up without breaking the chips or crackers, but it must be thick enough to stick to the item used as the dippers. And the last, fruits and vegetables are the simplest appetizer. Fruits are the good appetizer because they give the attractive appearance, fragrance and delicate taste. For example, you could serve a plate of thinly sliced cucumber, red bell pepper, baby carrots. For a fruit tray, consider serving red and green grapes as well as the chunk of the mangoes with toothpicks inserted. Since the appetizer should always be easy to pick up with the fingers, it should never be drippy or messy, so avoid certain fruits or veggies like chunks of avocado, watermelon. These are probably not the best appetizer choice. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel RPIIT Academic.